What's up, everybody? We're just having morning coffee. We don't have too much planned for today, but we are gonna split some wood because although we don't have much planned, wintertime will make us plan. We got some wood done for the wintertime now, but we need the other half of the shed full. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get some wood put in the shed. I'll show you the shed here now. We usually have it full. When you have it full, it usually lasts us 2 cabins all winter. Now we're only up here during weekends really. I'm up here less than my mom and them are, so usually that full is plenty of wood for the winter, and we usually have more out here. We got lots. The pile goes way back there, so we'll throw some of this small stuff in there too. And what we're gonna do is we cut down this big tree that was headed towards everyone's cabin. We cut that down a while ago, so we're gonna split some of that, split the rest of that, and then go throw some wood in over there. That's what we did the other day. I don't know though, I come out here for 5 minutes and the flies got me eat. Like, just eat. 5 minutes outside and you're wanting to go back in. You know, it seems there's so many flies outside right now. What I think I might do is go over to the cabin, get up in the loft, put a few boxes of flooring up there, and start the flooring up there. I think that would be a good idea, something to do. We can do around the toilet too, and around the base of the shower. You know, get some small things done again. New piece to eat for supper. We really didn't do nothing today. It's like 10 o'clock now. Absolutely nothing really today. Did a couple odds and ends, but that was about it. I'm very tired. Time to head to bed. I've got TV on. I've been watching TV since 8. I've just been real lazy. I was real tired today, although I didn't really do much. But we'll catch up with you in the morning. We're just here doing a water run, getting some water. We're down here by the water again. The woman's on her way up here shortly, so she'll be here for the night, and then we're going home. I haven't done a whole lot on this trip, more of just relaxed, but that's okay too. Lots of dragonflies around. It's gonna be a hot day, a real hot day. $1 million view though, what? Wake up there and look out there every day. It's sure growed up here now. Lots of strawberries or raspberries in those bushes. Just got water on the way back. Nobody goes there anymore. That just flew out of the way then, you should see it. is how it's supposed to be. This is how life is supposed to be. See, I'm just sitting out here on the deck, relaxing, cleaned up a bit. You know, I got my hammock over there on the side. We're just relaxing out here. Not a fly in sight. Beautiful day. Just waiting for the woman to come now. I had to clean up before she got here, because if she got here and that place was a mess, she'd be like, what are you doing, living like a bachelor for 3 days? Pretty much. Yeah, everything is holding up good anyway. And put another 2x4 up there just to have more stability there. Get some long 7 or 6 inch lag bolts to send them right in through the wall. Not a fly in sight. It's a nice day. Could sit out here for hours. We haven't done a whole lot this trip, other than a few little things. Didn't feel like doing a whole lot anyway. It's been too hot. So we're just relaxing outside, taking in the fresh air. Gotta shave too. My Jesus. It's just pouring. Tank's about half full. We had a couple good claps. The water bowl is full. It's just pouring down rain. Tank's about halfway full. Supposed to leave today. Wasn't supposed to be this much rain. Or give it up. It's feeling pretty good. It's because it's moved away from us now. It's not so loud. It's damn near raining side on earlier. Just pouring down rain. No, don't even try it. I'm right here. We're just out here under the deck. Gonna be here for another couple hours. Got all the cleaning up done, all the junk picked up. We got a few leaks in our deck where we join. That's just because I need that Z-flash thing that goes like this, up straight and then into the other roof. Once I get that put on there, that'll stop. That's got to happen probably next, so we can stop that from dripping right next. It's only like 2 spots, but still. Water is water on something that's supposed to be dry. Look at them. What's the matter? Is she picking at you? Is she picking all the fur out of you? Oh, look how much she's getting. Is she picking the fur out of you? Thor.
Nothing on that side. You're covering up the side I needs.
He's
I
like,
got all of this side when he was in the bed the other day. He needs this side.
he's like, Ma, leave me alone.
He's getting mad.
No, you stop there.
Then give it to the birds. Back up.
Mr. Flight Risk. We're over half full. It's only been raining for an hour. Goodbye, goodbye. It's just raining so much the gutters can't even really keep up with it. Look at the moth there. It's like, help me! But I likes the deck and staying dry.